Good evening. Welcome to Options Tender. It is Monday. No, it's Tuesday. We're closed on Monday. It's Tuesday, 6/21/22, 7 p.m. You guys, it's after hours. Just want to do a quick update. If you are new here, go down to that bottom right hand corner, hit that Options Tender logo and subscribe. We have lots of good information coming out here. You see all these lines on the list. We're going to go through ES on the daily. Go down to the 65-minute chart and we're going to be done. It's going to be a fast review here, but here's what we're looking at. I want to show you the different levels that we're going through. Here, we're still under that 8 EMA, so the trend is still down, even in the short term. We did get back above this resistance area. Maybe we can use that as support. What we're using here are a couple different. You saw the moving average. We're using the MACD. MACD is possible curve here with the positive divergence. Yes, we can move to higher highs, higher lows, but right now we have to get a higher low in to start. So this might be the beginning of a move upwards, meaning that the bottom is in. I don't really think so, but we're going to have to watch price action. You still see that the trend is down. Okay, so trend is down on MACD. The RSI has found support. You see this triangulation that we're kind of putting in here in the dash line. So we found some support here. Can we get a higher high, or do we get just another lower high here? And that's what happens when you see this RSI, the strength indicator. We're probably going to oscillate back here a little bit more while price is actually falling in some sort of triangle as well, or wedge as you'd call it. I don't have the line for a wedge here yet, but they haven't been that reliable, but they are here on the RSI. All right. So this is a very important area for us right now. We get back underneath this 37.30 area, and we're looking at continuing to the downside, especially if we take out the low, obviously. But getting over the 8 EMA may be the way to go in order to start some sort of either corrective move or a bull run, but I don't see that happening at this point. So let's change over to the 65-minute chart and grab this last frame that we're going through. We came back above this this descending pivot where we saw some reactions here back and forth. We got back over there, which is coinciding with the 37.20 area. Now, if you notice, let me dig in a little bit closer here. We formed a wedge along with positive divergence. We broke that wedge, and I thought we'd create some sort of wedge here as well. We broke above, and that's a little bit bullish for the term. But what I'm seeing here is that we had a bottom, and it looks very corrective that we possibly have we made a lower low here. We're making I guess a lower high. And what I suspect is going to happen, I think this move might be over. According to the counts that we get, I do think this is a 5-wave move. I do think this is an A, B, and a C, expanded C here. So after this move, I do think this might be just a larger A, and then we move down to get a higher low, and then we get a higher high from there. And I'm not sure how high we're going to go at this point. We're going to have to watch, but I do suspect that we make a higher low. We make one more move up for an A, B, C correction, but we will be on the lookout that this is just an ABC right here, and then we move lower. So we either move lower and make new lows, or we make an ABC correction a little bit higher than before. I'm just thinking that this gap is needed to be closed sooner than later before anything else really happens. So that's why I do think that ABC will be very telling. And now if we make it up to the gap, am I guarantee I won't play it through the gap? I guarantee you I will not play any calls or futures through the gap. Once we get to the gap, or into this area, I'll be taking profits, okay, if we do get up to this area. I'm not looking to be a hero and get every single last point. I'm not even in the market. Well, I have one put in for tomorrow, and we'll see if we get that correction here and see how far it goes. But then I'll if we start to make a higher low, then I'll probably do some really good plays up here to make some money headed up here to the 3,800 and beyond area. Okay. All right. That's all I pretty much have for you. We can go through, we can look at the indicators, and that's what I do. We start to make this crossover here, and that's going to tell us whether we're really ending this correction, this move here. We can go lower and then make a divergent high for a negative divergence and continue our path to the downside. But I am bearish overall in the market. You see we have RSI, we have a little bit of support there. We're coming to it. If we start to break down from here, it's doing exactly what I was talking about. And we'll probably extend this out further to see if we gain some support there for the ABC up. And we'll continue to monitor this, and we'll let you know what happens tomorrow, okay? So thanks for joining us here at Options Center. Don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions, please put in the comment area on YouTube and let us know what you're thinking, or if you just want to say hi, say hi. All right, have a great day.